Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is all prime numbers greater than 2 are. Whether that is even or greater than 100 or odd or multiples of 10. Firstly, every prime number, as we know that every prime number is an odd number except 2. So, clearly, prime numbers greater than 2 are odd numbers. Okay, so our correct option is option C.